how to add VR support to a Roblox game. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what we're going to do is to just simply head over to the description below, and where you'll find a link that will redirect you to this website right here, and where you can download the script. So once you're here, what you want to do is you just simply click on get model, and then there you go, the item's now been added to your inventory. So after that, what you want to do is just open up Roblox Studio, and then just open up your game. So for me, I'll just open up a template right here, and then once you're here, what you want to do is to make sure that the toolbox is switched on. So I'll just open up the toolbox right here, and then this option on the left side will pop up. After that, I'll just go to my inventory, and then in my inventory, I'll get to see the Nexus VR character model right here. So I'll just click on it. There you go. So as you can see in the right side over here in the Explorer, we'll get to see the script right here for the Nexus VR character model loader. So what you want to do with this is to just simply drag it to the server script service right here. So just drag it there, and then there you go. Afterwards, if you want to edit out some details with the script, you can just double click on it, and then this option will pop up. So if you want to edit out some details right here, you can edit it from here. So yeah, so feel free to edit this section out. So there are also some comments right here that says what this code does. So this one right here says the transparency of the character when in first person, and etc, etc. So feel free to edit this section out if you want to, but for me, I'll just leave it. So yeah, and then after that, you're pretty much done. So you can now test it out. So if you have a VR, you can test it out right here just by clicking on play, and then there you go. But since for me, I don't have a VR, so I really can't test it right now. But if you do, you can test it immediately. And then if there are any problems, you can configure the script again from here. So yeah, and then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add VR support to a Roblox game.